Here we go on Tuesday's homework video. Don't forget to listen carefully because there will be secret messages, things you need to write down in order to get your full credits. And we're starting in a new term, so it's a great time to get a great start. Start getting all your 50 out of 50s, plus it will help you on testing when we test. All right, number one, remember, if you haven't already done this problem, then turn that video off so you're not just copying. Copy makes dumb. Okay, number 6, it asked me to graph y equals negative 2 plus x. You need to know that the y-intercept is negative 2 and the slope is negative 2 over 1, or sorry, 1 over 1. So there's an invisible 1 in front of the x here. And if we write the slope as a fraction so that we know what the rise is, 1, and what the run is, it makes it a lot easier. So this is really in front of here, it's just invisible. So let's put the point negative 2 on there. Can do better than that. There we go. And then let's go up 1 and over 1. Wait. We'll do it a couple times, and we could also go down 1 and to the left 1. And then we'll draw our line. So our y-intercept was negative 2. Yep, negative 2. Our slope was 1. Up 1 over 1. Yep, looks good. Okay, before we do this next one, I'm actually going to go back and we're going to do a little measurement thing that you might have learned when we were reviewing length of line on Monday. So we're going to figure out what the length of this line is when we measure it from, let's put a spot on here. This will be part of our secret message for tonight. We'll go from here to here. Now, if we look at this, the slope of the line segment where the two blue lines are going between is up 2 and over 2. Okay, I'm going up 2 and I'm going over 2. What that means is that if I were to build a square off this line segment, that I could also go down 2, down 2 and to the right 2, and down 2 and to the right 2 from the other vertex, and then now I have my square. Okay, that's my square. And if I take the square of each of the slopes, so remember our slope was 2 over 2, if I square this number, it's 4, and if I square this number, it's also 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8, so then that means that the length of this line is the square root of 8, and now I'm going to prove it to you. So let's go ahead and surround this, but not with blue, we'll go purple. I'm going to surround it. And we'll use surround and subtract. So I'm also going to change the pen. Okay, so this square right here is a 4 base times 4 height, and 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to do 16 minus the area of this little triangle right here. It's 2 by 2, so 2 times 2 is 4, and half of that is 2. So each of these is 2, and 2 times 4 is 8, and 16 take away 8 equals 8. That is the area of the tilted square, which means the length of the line is the square root of 8, because if you want to know the line segment, you square root its area. So area 8, line segment square root of 8, And again, the way I got that using a shortcut was I took the slope of that line segment up to and over to, and I squared this to get 4, and I squared this to get 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. I knew that gave me the area of the square, so I square rooted it to get 8. Square root 8 is the answer. Square root 8 can be simplified because you can do it like this: 4 times 2. The square root of 4 is 2, so you cross that out and bring the 2 to the outside. 2 square root 2. So on your paper, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to show all the work that I have here, including this. So I'm showing you the shortcut. I'm going to put this here like that so you can see that, including surrounding and subtracting here, including the area of each of the triangles inside, including the 16 take away 8 equals 8. That's the area of the square inside, which means my line segment is the square root of 8, and including how to simplify the square root of 8 into 2 square root 2. All of that is part of the secret message tonight, but be careful because I'm evil and I might put another secret message on here tonight. Never know. Onward. Okay, on this one, I'm supposed to graph negative 2x plus 3. I'm going to write negative 2 as negative 2 over 1, so I can see that it's going down 2 and to the right 1. And then I'm going to start by graphing 3. I'm going to make my dot bigger. 3 would be right here. This tells me go down 2 and to the right 1. So from here down 1, 2 and to the right 1. And I can also do the reverse of going down 2 and to the right 1, which would be go up 2 and to the left 1. So up 2 and to the left 1 would put me there. Got my line. And there we go. That is a line for negative 2x plus 3. Number 8, y equals 5. When you see a line that says y equals 5, it means that no matter what x is, y is 5. So we'll just look at some different x's. When x is 0, y is 5. When x is 1, y is 5. No matter what x is, y is 5. When x is 2, y is 5. When x is 3, y is 5. When x is negative 1, y is 5. When x is negative 2, y is 5. When x is negative 3, y is 5. You should be getting the point here that no matter what x is, y is 5. So that is the graph of y equals 5. Next one. This one's another really easy one. This one is telling me that no matter what y is, x is negative 1. So x is negative 1. This has an x of negative 1. This is the point negative 1, 0. And this has an x of negative 1, negative 1, negative 5, negative 1, negative 10. Sorry, this is not negative 10. This is negative 1, 0. This is negative 1, 5, negative 1, 10. This guy is going to be negative 1, negative 5. And this is negative 1, negative 10. There we go. And let's put the orange line on here this time. That didn't work. Huh. There we go. X equals negative 1. There's our line. In the last problem, they're asking us what this person, Kevin, did wrong. Well, Kevin went to 1. You can see he put the y-intercept on first, and then he went up 1 and to the right 2. But this says to go down 1 and to the right 2. So he should have gone, instead of here, you should have gone down 1 and to the right 2. So you should have put a point here, and we could put a point here, and then we can draw our line, because it did say that you have to fix it, so be sure you fix it. Boy, that's not very good at all. I'm going to make this bigger so you can see better. So we went down 1 and to the right 2, and we'll also go up 1 and to the left 2. Clearly I did something wrong here. What did I do wrong here? So here's my thing. Down 1, over 2, down 1, oh, over 2 right here. This point does not belong here. Okay, let's try this again. There you go. That's the graph that they should have done of y equals -1/2 x plus 1. Alright, there are no more secret messages. That's the last secret message. There are no more. Have a great night. Bye, guys.